Hello, if you're looking to transform your musical journey, I want to share with you an experience that had a profound impact on my musical journey. If you're someone who's always been fascinated by music, but felt lost or struggled to grasp its intricacies, then listen up, because I have a game changer for you. My name is Dr. Baritz. I'm a chiropractor, nutritionist, herbalist. I'm certified in Acupoint Physical Medicine and pet acupressure therapy. I've helped thousands of people live healthier and happier lives, and I want to help you too. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to be notified when more videos like this come out. Today I'm going to share with you a seminar that opened the door to a world of music for me. And at the end of the video, I will give you a simple natural remedy for performance anxiety. I'm talking about the Understanding of Music seminar created and delivered by the incredible Duncan Lorien. By way of disclosure, I want you to know that I'm not receiving any compensation for this recommendation. And as a matter of fact, Duncan and his team have no idea that I'm making this video. I am recommending this seminar because it was a complete game changer for me, and I wanted to share my experience with you. Before attending the Understanding of Music seminar, I couldn't read a note if my life depended on it. Rhythm was a foreign concept to me. In my singing, well, let's just say it was always a little off-key. But in a few short days, attending this seminar and working with Duncan himself, everything changed. I gained that first foothold in music that truly began my journey from clueless to a piano performer. And here's the most incredible part. Most musicians I've met tell me that they started playing music around the age of 6, while I began at the age of 60. But with Duncan's help, I was able to join the world of musicians and enrich my life in so many ways. These seminars were the key that opened the door of the world of music to me. To me, they offered the fastest way to learn to read, play, sing, and write songs in a simple, step-by-step, hands-on approach. Since then, I've spoken with all levels of musicians who have attended these seminars, and one for one, they say that it transformed their ability to perform. The Understanding of Music seminar guides you through a simple, step-by-step, hands-on approach to fully understand music. The Understanding of Music seminar cleared away confusions that I had about music, and even exposed the traps that were placed in music education hundreds of years ago to keep music exclusive. Duncan covers a wide range of topics, including naming notes on the keyboard and guitar, playing scales and chords from memory, the basics of improv, reading and playing music notation, singing, and even songwriting. And guess what? I found out that almost 40,000 graduates on 5 continents have experienced the magic and fun contained in these seminars with Duncan Lorien. In my opinion, Duncan is one of the world's most entertaining and passionate music educators. Music is a language, and Duncan has finally discovered the way to show anyone how to understand and communicate with it. Whether you are a beginner or someone who has been dealing and working with music for years, I believe that these seminars will help you unlock your musical potential. I've put a link below if you'd like to get more information about attending the Understanding of Music seminar. Now, for those of you who feel anxious before performing, I've put my video on how to relieve stress and anxiety right over here. Check it out.